Today we're gonna fly my E-Flite Delta Ray 1. We're back out here in the field. This is only my second time flying this year, so I'm still getting the hang of it a bit, but in beginner mode it's actually pretty easy to fly and it's a ton of fun. Videos.
Probably just a little outline right there. We have to blur out a lot. I don't know why. At least I think it's on cloud. Funny, it looks like a tail or something.
So here I put it into intermediate mode, which basically means that if it's about above 45 feet off the ground, it allows for steeper pitch and roll angles, and there's no self-leveling.
If I do, you need to keep that in, just say like
Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see another awesome video about this plane, click right here for that. And if you want to see a full playlist about videos on this plane, click right here for that, and I'll see you over there.